पटेल की पंजाबी शादी एक्ट्रेस पायल घोष leveled allegations of sexual harassment and misconduct against filmmaker Anurag Kashyap. The entire entertainment industry has been in a frenzy.
मैं अनुराग सर के वहाँ पे ऑफिस में गई थी फर्स्ट, फिर उनके बाद उन्होंने मुझे घर पे बुलाया थे फर्स्ट टाइम, तो मैं गई थी एंड हम लोगों के कन्वर्सेशंस हुए और फिर मैं आ गई। नेक्स्ट डे जब मैं गई थी तो वो ड्रिंक भी कर रहे थे, कुछ स्मोक भी कर रहे थे और फिर वो उनके दूसरे रूम में मुझे लेके गए जहाँ पे एक लाइब्रेरी टाइप्स का कुछ था, उनके पास एक बिल्ली भी था, तो वो मुझे दूसरे रूम में लेके गए और वहाँ पे जाके जो भी हुआ है, जो भी अनकम्फर्टेबल मैं फील की हूँ और वैसे सिचुएशन राइज हुआ है।
Payal also named actresses Richa Chadda, Huma Qureshi and Mahi Gill, alleging that Anurag had insinuated he had sexual relations with these actresses. On 21st September, Richa Chadda revealed that she has initiated legal action against Payal on the grounds that her name was dragged in a defamatory manner in the statements made by Payal. In a statement released by her lawyer, Richa said that a genuinely wronged woman should get justice, but no woman can misuse her liberties to harass other women with baseless allegations. The press statement released by Richa's lawyers read, "Our client, Miss Richa Chadda, condemns the act of her name being unnecessarily and falsely dragged in a defamatory manner into controversies and allegations being recently raised by third parties. Our client has initiated appropriate legal action and shall further pursue her legal rights and remedies in law as may be advised in her best interest." Here's a look at Richa's full press statement. After this, there was also an update shared by Richa's team which stated that a soft copy of the legal notice has been sent to Miss Ghosh. My person, along with a person from my lawyer's office, went to hand deliver the hard copy of the notice to her residence, which she/her representative refused to take delivery of. Ever since the sexual harassment allegations made by Payal, several Bollywood celebrities have come out in support of Anurag Kashyap. Sayami Kher, who worked with Anurag in Choked Paisa Bolta Hai, extended her support to him by posting that he is completely the opposite of what people perceive him to be. Here's what Sayami shared on Twitter. Most recently, filmmaker Ram Gopal Verma has also come out in support of Anurag. RGV took to his Twitter and wrote, "The Anurag I know is a highly sensitive and emotional person, and I never ever saw or heard about him hurting anyone in all of the 20 years that I have known him. So I frankly can't picture what's happening now."
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.